Hello everybody, it's Cranky again, and another lock I got from Temu is this one. Sorry, it's a bit loud rattling. Let me just open it first. I didn't realise it was this small. So it's a padlock and it's got a lion on it. Not sure I asked for the lion one, but never mind. So let's open it up. This tiny lock. Try not to cut myself again while filming. Right, let's have a look. Okay, so again, excellent quality paintwork. Lion. Oh, you can see that there. Okay, let's have a look at the key. 3 keys. See if it works. It does. That's that's not good. Yeah, there is tiny there, look. You just see the clasp that goes back. Okay, so let's see if we can get into this little one. Get my picks. I better move the knife. Let's get my tensioner. Shows you I ain't prepared. Shows how real I am. Or unorganised, whichever way you want to go around it. Right, let's have a look. That's going to block it, probably. I think everything's going to block it. It's so tiny. Might have to go from the top. Let's try that. Okay, so I've got my 23 foul praxis. Nope. A bit of movement there. Nope. Came out. Let's try again. I'm missing one. There's got to be one I'm missing. Give them all a little tickle. Probably one at the front behind the tensioner. Oh, look at that. I've been picking it upside down, the pick. Come on. Let's release the tension a bit. At the front, it's got to be at the front. Tell you what, let me get my vise. Thanks, Lady Locks and Lockchuck. sent me the designs so I could print it. Alright, let's try again. Should have done this to start with. Okay. Just zoom out a bit more, move it a bit. Right, try the key. Yep. Let's see if that's locked. Right. Let's try... No, what am I doing? Let's try that again. Where's my hook gone? Let's see if I'm binding. No, it's easier in my hand. It's just a bit easier, sorry. Right, there we go. Let's do it properly now, stop messing about. Yep, yep. I don't know what's gonna work. My special pick. Let's try again. Yep. 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 Just get that in there underneath. Yep. 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 Right, so what am I missing? Have I overset something? Let's do it again. Just stick it in and jog it about. There we are. Seems to work. Sticking it in and jabbing it about. There we are. I suppose these cheaper locks need a bit more force, I suppose. But anyway, there we are. Some quick video just to have a bit of a mess with one of the locks I've got from Temu. Right, it is actually a nice, design, so I probably will put it on the table somewhere, but yeah, as a lock, it's, yeah, fail. But, oops, there we are. Right, thank you, everybody. Hope you enjoyed that. If you didn't, I'm sorry. I will try better. But yeah, thanks, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.